25 miles per hour with gusts around. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 222, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kansas: Geary, Jackson, Morris, Pottawatomie, and Riley. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 222 has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Kansas: Geary, Jackson, Morris, Pottawatomie, and Riley. This is NOAA weather radio station. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Kent County in southwestern Michigan, Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, Berry County in southwestern Michigan, Kalamazoo County in southwestern Michigan, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Harlan State Park to Paw Paw to Cassopolis, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. At 1:20 p.m., a 63 miles per hour wind gust was reported at the Benton Harbor Airport. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, Portage, Holland, Hastings, Battle Creek, Allegan, Wyoming, Kentwood, Walker, Grantville, East Grand Rapids, Hudsonville, Rockford, Zeeland, Coopersville, Sparta, Wayland, Otsego, Plainwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Western Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marcellus to Constantine to near Millersburg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sturgis, Three Rivers, LaGrange, Bronson, Constantine, White Pigeon, Centerville, Colon, Topeka, Natoa, Scott, Floughfield, Fawn River, Leonidas, Walcottville, Mendon, Baroque, Shipshewana, Sherwood, and Hunterville. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 109 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here is your local forecast. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, eastern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Union City to 7 miles south of Bronson to near Rome City, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coldwater, Angola, Bronson, Fremont, Quincy, Union City, Hamilton, Ray, Girard, Kinderhook, Batavia, California, Ashley, Gilead, Hudson, Orland, Clear Lake, Sherwood, York, and Flint. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 341 and 357. Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 128 and 156. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Now here is your local forecast. Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Fillmore County in south-central Nebraska, northeastern Thayer County in south-central Nebraska, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belvidere, or 20 miles northwest of Fairbury, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pruning around 2:05 p.m. Ohio around 2:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Milligan and Strang. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Fillmore and Thayer. Flood watch info issued until 2. Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska, until 3 p.m. At 2:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Hollenberg, or 9 miles north of Washington, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Steel City around 2:15 p.m. Endicott around 2:20 p.m. Diller around 2:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Harbine. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Gage and Jefferson. A severe The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, eastern Branch County in southwestern Michigan, Hillsdale County in southeastern Michigan, Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Homer to near Fremont to near Greville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Defiance, Coldwater, Bryan, Hillsdale, Montpelier, Hicksville, Jonesville, Fremont, Edgerton, West Unity, Quincy, Hamilton, Pioneer, Litchfield, Stryker, Reading, Eden, Holiday City, Edgerton in Williams County, and Long Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 8 and 21. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 145 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4